In this video, I am going to walk you through how to set up your Telegram bot. So first we need to come to Telegram here, and then we would need to set up the trigger. The trigger is going to be, oh, these are actions. Yeah. On message. Yeah, this is going to be trigger, and I need to set up a new credential. Now here what is required is basically I need an access token. So how do you get an access token? Let me explain that. Now look at my phone screen. From here we need to go to bot father. Not this one. Bot father. Yeah, this one which has these many use. Now start. From here you can actually do all sort of stuff like manage your tokens and set up a new bot. I'm going to set up a new bot slash new bot. Okay. After it will ask a couple of questions. A new bot, how are you going to call it? Let's call it chat agent 2026, chat agent 2026 bot. Congratulations, my bot is created and it will give me an access token. Now this is confidential, so make sure to copy it. And now we need to come to the Telegram bot and put this access token and hit save. Now my Telegram account is connected. And let me complete the, now our bot name is this. I can click on it and start the chat. Like say hi, and it will go to my n8n. If I come to executions, it has already started getting error. Oh, this was the old one. Okay, let's check. I got it. What was the issue? I did not actually made it live. You need to make sure it's live. Then only it will work. And now if I go to say hi, it will give me the error logs here because I have not set it up. Yeah, as you can see, it started giving the response. It has received my message. Now I can do all sort of stuff. I can create an AI agent. Um, and this one we won't use. We will use the define below so that I can now again see I don't have the input here, any input, and I cannot trigger this one because this was on test mode. So what I need to do is I need to go to this one, the one which is already executed, copy this input and then come to this current flow, edit and save it. So this way I have the proper format of how the workflow would be. And then I can now drag and drop of the message, the text message of the user. Okay. So that is done. Now I am going to connect the chat model, which is OpenAI. I will connect it. And now I will instruct it in a system message. You need to let the user know what is the time and date now. And I am going to provide it the time and date formula here for that. Okay, so I have connected. Now let's go to Telegram and let's say hi. Should receive a reply back. Okay, it won't get a reply back because I have not actually added a Telegram in the response node yet. We need to add the Telegram in the response and then send a message, send a text message. The session ID we will get from here, chat ID, chat ID. message which we need to send is the chatbot will give the output. So we'll need to run it first, and then we need to get the output here. Oops, we need to drag and drop the output. Now it should be working fine. And now I can go here and say hi, and it should start working. If not, then we can do the error logging again. Let's check the error logs. Okay, we got some error. Let's look at what the error is. The error is in this message: authorization failed. Okay, so the credentials, the account which I selected here, Telegram account 2, is not selected in this account. So I need to select the Telegram account 2, only then it would work. Now let's come back, and this back and forth troubleshooting you would need to do. Otherwise, it won't work. Now I got the response. The current date and time is December, and this is the time. This is automatically sent to n8n. I can remove that part as well, obviously, by going to the specific message. Okay, that you can figure out later on as well. But this video was to show you how exactly you can set up a Telegram bot, and you can do all sort of stuff here.